Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to load your Fire Stick fully loaded with the best applications for all your content needs, okay? So I'm here on a Fire Stick, and the first step we got to make sure we have developer options on. They changed a couple of features. I'm going to show you how to do that, don't worry. So the first thing on your Fire Stick, when you boot it up, connect it, you want to go over to your settings right here. You'll see a couple of options here, okay? So what you want to do now, you want to go to My Fire TV or My Device, whatever it's called on your version of a Fire Stick. Click on that, and you should see the developer options. Now, if you don't see the developer options, all you have to do is click on the About. Once you click on the About, you'll see here that it says Fire TV Sticks 4K Max or whatever light, whatever version you're running, and you're going to click several times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 or 8 times. Okay? It says no need. You're already at developer options. But this way you're going to enable developer options if you click on this About device 6 to 8 times. Okay? You can also install any updates. If you have to install updates, install those updates. So as you can see, now if I click back, I've enabled developer options, okay? So this you need to enable on your device, developer options, okay? This will allow you to install third-party apps. Okay, so now since we've done that and you've successfully did that, you can just go back and go back. Let's go back to the main menu. And now I'm going to show you how to fully load your Fire Stick with the best applications, okay? Okay, once that's completed, all you want to do on your Fire Stick, go to the search icon, click down to search, and you click on that search box, and we're search for an application called Downloader. So here I am. Let's search for Downloader. There's Downloader. Once you find it, click on that application. It's going to show up as an orange icon. Click on Downloader. Click on the little download button. It's going to queue it and install the Downloader application. Okay, once that's finished, press the Open button, press the Allow button, and press the OK button. You're going to see this menu. Click one up, and a yellow box, click inside of it, and type in the following URL. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here, unlinked, exactly like you see it, unlinked dot link, okay? Just exactly like that. Let's do that. Okay, unlinked dot link. Once you do that, you're going to press that Go button, okay? And now, this will say connecting, and it'll open a website. You can see I can move the cursor around, and I'll be on the unlinked website. If you do get an error on this step, make sure you use the VPN link provided in the comment or description below. Install the VPN, which is I later show in my video, because some internet service provider might be blocking the unlinked store, okay? I'm not sure for what reasons, but they might be blocking access to it. So it should go to the website, everything's fine, and you should see download APK Android. Click on that. And once you click on that, it's going to say connecting, and it's going to stage the app. And now you're going to get to developer options, the first option we did. You're going to click on settings, okay? See how I'm in developer options now? Install unknown apps. And I'm going to make sure Downloader is on. Click it on, click one back and one more back, and it's going to take you back to the Downloader menu. Now, you have the opportunity to hit the install button again. Let's do that. And now I can press the install button here in the corner. Press the install button, the unlinked application will open, okay? Let's do this and press the done button and hit the home button. And we are now going to go to this 3 squares plus button, and you will see that we have Downloader and unlinked, okay? We're going to open up the unlinked application. There's a few more steps we need to do. Now, press the new library. And I'm going to give you a code for my subscribers only. Wherever you're watching this, YouTube, TikTok, Rumble, you'll see my videos there. I'll leave all the links in the pinned comment description that you need. And the code for my store for exclusive my people, my members, and people that follow me. Make sure you follow me. Click on here and type in the following code. Fire Stick, okay? I'm going to type in Fire Stick. And lowercase, and press no spaces, press the next button, and it's going to enter into my store. Okay, make sure you read this very important message at the top. It's going to provide which applications you should be using, which ones not. I have a very extensive list. Make sure you always read the welcome message. Very, very important. Okay, once you read it, press the enter button. Feel free to get any of them and download any of them. Very easy to use. You can scroll through my store and get any applications, okay? So for example, I'll show this as an example on this application here, but you could go scroll my sections and you can see they're all ordered in each section. You can download it. So I'm gonna just get this application just to show you how the loading process works. You'll click on download. It's gonna get that application. You're gonna click install app and it's gonna give you a permission error. You're gonna click OK, no problem. Install unknown apps. Now you can see that unlinked developer option is off. So we have to turn it on. Okay, once you turn it on, one back again. Now you'll have the opportunity to install the application from my store, okay? Press the done button and get any other applications from my store scrolling up and down, okay? That welcome message suggests which ones for which specific things when you first enter my store. You can also scroll through the sections and install them. Now, very important, before you run any applications from my store, absolutely any applications, to get more content, to get better content, and to stay safe and fully protected for a coffee a month, 1 or 2 coffees a month, make sure, guys, I cannot stress this enough, use a VPN. The one I'm recommending today is super fast, super great. It's called Surfshark. So get that on your Fire Stick, be protected, works on many devices, great VPN, great fast servers, and get even geo-block content, okay? So go to find, go to search, and just type in Surfshark. Just like that, surf. Okay, Surfshark. That's all you have to type in. You'll see it here, Surfshark VPN, white background, blue, kind of bluish dark font. Click on that, get the download button on Surfshark. That's gonna download the Surfshark VPN. The actual video, there's a bit.ly link. There should be a link in the pinned comment and the description, or if it's on TikTok, it should be in the bio. Click on that link. I cannot stress enough, you're gonna get more content. You're gonna get very satisfied, very good applications from my unlinked store that I gave you with my code. You're gonna be able to get a lot of stuff if you use a VPN, way more than without using a VPN. That's why I stress VPN protection, stay anonymous, stay private, no logs. Surfshark keeps absolutely no logs, okay, of what content you stream, okay? Press the open button once you're done that and log into your Surfshark VPN. Like I said, get your own account from this link, one in the pinned comment description. It literally costs a coffee a month, okay? It's 1 cup of coffee a month. That's how cheap this service is, and it's very good. So once you have your own account, you click this link, you sign up for your own account, verify your account, create your email, create your password, and ready to log in. I'm gonna log into mine and I'll show you quickly how to set this up for streaming, okay? Once you have your information typed in, you can just press the login button. You can also use your phone if you install on your phone, okay, with that specific code. So just hit login once you have your information there. I have mine in. It's gonna log you right in. It's gonna say not connected. All you wanna do to get the most content, hit on the search button all the way at the top, scroll up, click in there, so easy to use, and type in USA. We're gonna connect to the United States server. We're gonna get the best amount of content and the best experience. So what I like to do, this shows, you can also favorite, this shows how congested it is. So we can go to Detroit, no problem, and press OK when this comes up. This will connect to Detroit. It'll give us an IP. There you go, connected. And a couple of settings that you want to do to protect yourself farther. Click on settings. Make sure you go to VPN settings and make sure you put auto connect always on. This will connect you automatically as well. There's also a kill switch. Disable internet to stay protected when VPN connection drops or is turned off. You can also do that as well. A kill switch, very useful feature if you want. So now I go home. You can see I have the VPN on. It quickly refreshes my apps, everything like that. Unlinked still works, downloader still works, and I have my Surfshark VPN for any time I need to use it. Okay, so unlinked, all the apps are there. Welcome message, read that for all your apps. Of course, Surfshark VPN is in the pinned comment description, bio, depending where you're watching this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. That helps me out. Drop a comment. Let me know which place and city you're from. Let me know if this worked for you or it hasn't worked so I can respond to you, okay? I respond to most comments. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here.